Ankr is a cryptographic money, or Ankr Stage is an organization that came into the digital currency market in 2017 at the College of California, Berkeley. Chandler Toon and Ryan Tooth are the fellow benefactors of Ankr. Ankr Stage circulated across the world in chipping away at cutting-edge decentralized web to democratize the web. How does Ankr function? Ankr Stage administrations give disseminated organizations of blockchain hubs which assists cross-chain advancement with getting to. Ankr is an early supporter of Web 3.0, empowering the client dependable and precise correspondence and joining. Ankr helps the crypto local area by giving a single-tick hub organization and programming interface administrations and admittance to 40 significant blockchains. Ankr project utilizes its processing power, upheld by disseminated record innovation, to gather information from the server farms at least expense. Server farms are associated with structure a solitary figuring network with the assistance of the Ankr Stage. Ankr has a DEFI stage, and it gives cloud administrations to designers and stakers to handily make in-course dApps and stake the equilibriums. Ankr is an ERC20 badge of Ankr. Ankr runs on the Ethereum blockchain. And Ankr can be bought utilizing ETH, which is utilized as an installment technique for stage administrations. The uniqueness of an NKR token. Ankr gives answers for distributed computing through the blockchain and permits the client to rearrange acquiring in the crypto space. The principal point of Ankr is to foster an easy-to-understand device for its clients, which helps the two people in undertaking clients and association. It empowers the client to introduce blockchain hubs from the incorporated cloud suppliers without any problem. With the assistance of the Ankr organization, the public blockchains can be effectively decentralized. Savvy agreements of the Ankr the executives framework permit the client to adapt their interest. Ankr is fundamentally used to pay for distributed computing assets. Ankr value figure, market feelings. Ankr is recorded with major crypto trades. It is a wise venture choice for the crypto local area. Dissimilar to other top exchange digital currencies, Ankr tokens can be utilized for marking, deciding on the recommendations, installment for getting to administrations of the Ankr organization. Ankr has a restricted inventory of 10 billion Ankr. Ankr's cost change additionally relies upon the exchanging volume. The restricted stock of Ankr computerized coins can be made sense of as an enemy of expansion system which demonstrates Ankr is a productive speculation as long as possible. A total stock of 10 billion Ankr is right now available for use, since the all-out supply is restricted. The exchanging volume is additionally restricted for Ankr crypto. We should investigate various perspectives from crypto specialists for digital currency expectations for Ankr token. In view of our Ankr coin estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal. Ankr's cost expectation for 2026 is 27 cents. With 5-year venture objectives, the income is supposed to be around plus 606.04%. The ongoing cost of Ankr is exchanging around 3 cents, and it reflects gigantic unpredictability. The not-so-distant future cost of Ankr USD is anticipated at 24 cents following a year, as indicated by our Ankr cost expectation estimate for 2023. As per our specialized examination on past value information of Ankr, in 2022, the Ankr cost is anticipated to arrive at any rate level of 3 cents. The Ankr cost can arrive at a most extreme value level of 4 cents with a typical exchanging cost of 4 cents according to Ankr Cost Forecast 2022. As per our Ankr coin cost expectation, the Ankr worth could exchange towards the 5 cents mark toward the finish of 2022. By 2026 end, the cost of Ankr could build a most extreme worth of 7 cents mark. Ankr cost today is exchanging at 3 cents. The typical value level of Ankr is exceptionally modest for a beginner financial backer. From the unsurpassed low of around $0, the Ankr ascends into the record-breaking high of 22 cents. The huge market cap is $295,111.52. The worth of Ankr expanded in August 2021. The monstrous auction on September 7, 2021, made the Ankr cost tumble from 12 cents to a base cost of 8 cents, which has returned the bullish cycle, and the Ankr diminished by breaking the backings. Transient examination shows that Ankr has tried help of 2 cents and is attempting to recuperate back to energy. Current month, the Ankr cost made a swing high of 6 cents to test the opposition level. Neglecting to break the obstruction level has made a pullback in the coin. Cost examination shows that Ankr needs to break the opposition of 8 cents for starting up move, breaking the obstruction level of 8 cents. The ongoing cost can move Ankr into a greatest degree of 11 cents, the following significant opposition level. Ankr Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, the token anticipates a new move. Ankr estimate is probably going to reach 5 cents. A drawn-out logarithmic diagram shows that by 2024, Ankr will have a wide acknowledgement, and putting and exchanging Ankr will be more straightforward with the wide course of Ankr tokens on the lookout. In this way, as per Ankr expectations, the most exorbitant cost might reach 6 cents in the year 2023. Ankr value expectation 2024. Any further cost transcend the 4 cents level can be a significant breaking, as most would consider to be normal to expand the worth of Ankr cost expectations from levers and Ankr conjectures in view of the logarithmic outline showing the greatest cost of Ankr will climb to 6 cents levels in 2024. Ankr value forecast 2025. If the worldwide crypto market shows bullish signs to crypto, Ankr will begin exchanging, driving digital currency trades. The interest for Ankr will increment. Subsequently, the drawn-out diagrams of Ankr cost expectations show Ankr will contact a typical cost of 7 cents. These value expectations are positive for Ankr, so financial backers are searching for a drawn-out benefit in Ankr according to the minimal expense crypto ventures. Financial backers are interested about the worth expansion in Ankr. Business examiners are expecting a worth ascent of 8 cents continuously 2025. Ankr value expectation 2026. Ankr can be taken from recordings, and own exploration is required prior to putting resources into the token, taking into account the expanded client base of Ankr coin for multi-reason situations. Having proceeded with development in the future is normal. The base cost of Ankr could reach 6 cents, and most extreme cost could reach 7 cents in the year 2026. Is Ankr a wise venture? Ankr has had a worldwide bullish pattern somewhat recently, since many hold it. It is modest, and it has a decent future. Fledglings can remember Ankr for their portfolio. The figure shows a decent future. Consequently, Ankr is a suggested venture guidance from the specialists. Where might I at any point purchase Ankr? Dissimilar to other digital currencies, clients can trade Ankr tokens, exchange significant trades like Coinbase and Binance. At this point, restricted wallets are supporting Ankr. Does Ankr have the following period of improvement later on? Since Ankr coins are likewise utilized as an installment strategy in the stages administrations, it has a decent future and the improvement of Web 3.0. Ankr cost bearing generally changes as indicated by market unpredictability. The worldwide bullish pattern is some help for Ankr estimate too, on the off chance that the cost headings go on in a bullish cycle for future cost levels. The Ankr cryptographic money will move into the following stage. Likewise, financial backers find Ankr token engaging, as its worth can benefit them. What will Ankr be worth in 5 years? According to our Ankr cost forecast, the symbolic will exchange around 17 cents over the course of the following 5 years. However, as the cryptographic money market endures unpredictability, taking specialists' opinion is dependably prudent. Will the cost of Ankr rise? In view of the cost forecasts, toward the finish of 2030, the cost could go up to 17 cents. Be that as it may, as there is high unpredictability in the generally speaking crypto market, is dependably fitting to explore, concentrate on every single nearby guideline and afterward contribute. Who established Ankr token? Ankr was established by Chandler Melody and Ryan Tooth alongside Stanley Wu, a previous Amazon PC engineer.